So it's 10:30 at night and we just got to our first stop. So we're gonna finish off the trip tomorrow. Here. So we arrived last night and I'm gonna give you a quick little house tour. I just didn't want to do it last night because we had a lot of unpacking to do and it wasn't super bright, so I wanted to make sure that I had some good lighting because this place is so stunning. So this is it from the outside. So when you first walk in, there's these pretty tiles on the floor, and then you kind of lock it like that, I think. I have to use two hands. And then there's a big mirror to the left. And the ceilings go really high. There's this really pretty chandelier, and then a little table to your right. This will be perfect for some outfit pictures. Here's a quick fit check. I've got on my Billabong t-shirt, some Victoria's Secret sweatpants, and American Eagle slippers. So back here is the garage and the laundry room. So that way we can do some laundry while we're here. And then in there is the garage. I don't think that should be open, actually. Whoops. Here, we just came from the main entrance here. So from there, come out, and this is the main living area. To the left is the kitchen. I love the big island. We stocked up on some fruit. This is more of the kitchen area. I like the lighting underneath the cabinets. Then to your right, we have the living room. The sofa is huge, so there's plenty of space for us all to sit. There's a little computer area over here and some spare towels. And then one of my favorite parts is this window wall, or the doors. I don't know if I want to call it like window doors or window walls. And it leads right out to the pool and the grill area. But I'm going to show you outside last so that we can get the inside tour done. So right over here you have your dining area. That way you can eat inside and look outside, or you can eat outside here. There's a nice big table and the view is very nice. I'll show you that once we get outside. So from the table and kitchen area, you go back. And over here we have a bedroom. This one is one of the queens. We've already slept in the bed, so not everything's gonna be super aesthetic. Back here we have another king bedroom, and this one looks out to the pool area. So this is the king bed. And you've got a nice TV over here, and then it looks out to the pool, and the pool wraps around over here. And there's another body mirror. There's 2 side tables. That's my little blanket. I love the beach blanket. And then over here we have some very modern furniture. I like it for vacationing, but I don't know if I'd want it in my actual home. I've unpacked some stuff, I just haven't unpacked everything yet, so you'll see like I'm kind of half unpacked. Then back here is the bathroom area. So gorgeous. To your left is the closet area, and this is super cool. If you watch, it turns on the light when you walk in. Super elegant. I love this closet. I brought a bunch of different purses. These are some of my nicer shirts that I didn't want to wrinkle. So that's the closet area, and there's a little pocket door. And that was as soon as you come in from the bedroom. And then over here, you've got one sink. And then your other sink right over here. So there's 2 sinks because this is technically a master bedroom. Then right over here, we have this really gorgeous tub area. And I really love their shower. Even has a little tropical window over here. I don't like that it's so high up that I can't see out of it when I'm showering, but you know, that's fine. I think overall it just adds like some really gorgeous scenery to the bathroom. Then to the left here, there's the actual bathroom, which I kind of like how it's sectioned off. So then from the bathroom, there's another door over here. So it's kind of like a little loop. So bathroom, the bedroom we were just in, so you can kind of walk in a circle like that. So we're gonna close that door. And then once you go back out here, that is the kitchen area again. But then to the right is the stairs. There's another big window and another chandelier. And they have this like very modern type of railing. I don't know, is that what you would call that? Then through here, there is a little mini fridge if you want to put any snacks or drinks. And then a little table. And then over to your right, there is a porch. We'll go out there in a second, but it kind of wraps around a little bit. And then over here is the second master bedroom. This is the one my sister and her fiance are staying in. Similar furniture setting, but there's a desk here. They're both doctors and they have a lot of work to do, so they have to work on vacation. Not the whole time, just a little hour or so, I think, a day. I'm not sure what their schedule is, but yeah, so they have a nice little desk area to work. And then this one also goes out to the porch. Very tropical view. And this is their bed area. More of these little furniture pieces. And then they have a similar situation, but a little different. Over here, they also have a closet. And then another closet to the right. And then their bathroom has one sink over here. And the shower, and then one sink over here, and then back out. And then let's go out on this porch real quick. So here's the porch view. Gorgeous. So there is some construction going on, but I feel like the view is still amazing. You can view the pool area from over here, and then you can walk back around. And this is one of the windows for the bedroom we were just in. And there's this whole porch upstairs, so you can chill up here and look out. It does have like a nice netting type of cage in here so that there's not things falling into the pool area. I think that is all of the inside. Let me go double check, make sure we've got everything, and then I will show you the downstairs pool area. Okay, and lastly, we have the outside area. This is where the grill is and the pool. To the left, we have a little sofa lounge area. In the middle, we have the table. To the right is the grill area. It's a nice little island there to put like ingredients and stuff or to eat. Then over here is the view. And the pool is actually an infinity pool, so it kind of spills over the edge and then refills. So there's a little place here that you can just stand if you don't want to get all the way in the water. And then another little place where you can sit there. Over here is what the edge of the pool looks like, where the water spills over. And I'm pretty sure it somehow just filters back through. And then this is the view from the outside. That was the porch we were just on upstairs. And then this is the big cage that protects it from leaves and bugs. There's also a place over here for a boat. I'm pretty sure we can try to rent the boat, so we might try to do that sometime on this trip. And that concludes the house tour. So I just threw on a bathing suit so I can try out the pool. This suit is from Samuel Swim. I haven't actually been in the pool yet, so I'm excited to try it out. I love the lace detailing. So today is day 3 and I kind of fell off the vlog there for a minute. My camera died and it started raining, so there just wasn't much to record. We mostly just grilled out last night and chilled in the house. And I did my sister's nails. Maybe I'll show those later. This is the bathing suit of the day. It's another Samuel Swim bathing suit. We just got back from kayaking, but I didn't bring my camera since I didn't want to accidentally flip my kayak and risk ruining it. But we're about to cool off in the pool, so I'm gonna bring it out there.
Hopefully I don't burn.
So I just came inside from the pool to eat some lunch. And then after I eat, I'm gonna shower and get ready so that we can go out tonight. The plan for tonight is dinner and then sunset on the beach. And I was gonna wash my hair for that, so I definitely wanna start getting ready a little early because it can take a while since I have hair extensions. For lunch, I prepped a bunch of sweet potato halves for all of us to have over the trip. So I'm just gonna heat up one of these. And yesterday I prepped some tuna. So I'm basically just gonna have some tuna, crackers, and a sweet potato. It's a pretty late lunch, it's like 2 p.m. So I don't wanna get too full, so I'm still hungry for dinner. So I'm just gonna put this guy in the microwave. I usually buy the Salma's crackers, but I'm using the Good Thins this time. So I'm putting a hair mask in so my hair doesn't get too dry on the trip. I'm using the Goldwell color mask. And I'm just putting it on in the shower so I don't get it everywhere. Okay, I had to stop recording the process of getting ready so I could be ready on time. Here is the outfit of the night. We're going out to eat and then we're gonna take sunset pictures on the beach. I've been saving this dress for a long time, so I'm really excited to get some pictures in it. And I'm pairing it with my new favorite heels from Amazon. But this dress is just so fun and beachy. I finally got to wash and style my hair. And now we're gonna go out to dinner. Okay, so today is our second to last day here, and I'm trying to figure out which bathing suit I want to wear. We're going to the beach today, so it's going to be a full beach day, so I want to do something beachy. I'm thinking the Samuel swimsuit with the shells. I just ended up wearing all my Samuel swimwear. I'm thinking this one, but this is option 2. And this is my second option. I forgot which brand this is. I think the other one looks more beachy, but I'm gonna ask what my fiance thinks. Okay, so I settled on this swimsuit, and I added some belly chains. I forgot to wear them last summer, but I've had them for a year. I'm just doing 2 of them. I'm doing this pearl one and then this little coin one. Feels so cute. And I'm gonna use this gold shell clip for my hair. As far as cover-ups, I have this little cover-up. I do have some white linen shorts. I think these might be the move for the bottoms. And I have this that I've been wanting to wear for so long, but I'm not sure if I want to like style it more like street or have it more casual, but I feel like this could be a fun beachy cover up. I don't know, feels extra. Is it the vibe today? I feel like it might be a little too extra for the beach. I think I'm not gonna wear it today. Let me know how you think I should style this. I don't know, I'm not feeling it. I feel like I just aquamarine that shit. Should I wear this as a top? I'm gonna try it. Or should I get like an actual top? I don't know. I just remembered I have this cover up too, and I really wanted pictures in it on this trip because I've had it for years and I just always forget to bring it or take pictures in it. I don't know if I want to do it by the pool or at the beach. So we went out to ice cream this afternoon, but I forgot to record my outfit, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that here. And my fiance and I are just gonna watch some Grey's Anatomy before bed. So it's our last full day here, and the majority of the morning it rained. And then this afternoon we got ready and went to dinner, but I forgot to record all that. And now we're back at the Airbnb, and I just got dressed to get in the pool. Since it's our last night, I definitely want to take advantage of the pool. This is another Samuel swimsuit. And then tomorrow morning checkout is at 10 a.m. I'm so sad to go. It feels like we just got here, but I guess that's vacation for you, right?
Cheers.
Cheers! We are headed home today, and I've got my white mocha matcha and a little Starbucks sandwich. I'm honestly so excited to see the cats. So we're all unpacked and back home. Thank you guys so much for watching this Florida vlog. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.